Hey, hi everyone. So in this video, I recently worked on a Google Gmail add-on, um, so which uses Gemini API, which uses AI to create rules based on prompt. So if you give a prompt, so I will give you a demo. So this is the add-on that I have created. You can see it is my Gmail, and this is the add-on, which I called it as RulesAI. So if I give a prompt, let's pick some random email. So let me, okay, can you move any new mails that come from code courses label and don't show in inbox. So if you give this prompt, let's see what happens if a rule gets created or not. So a rule got created. This means a rule got created. Let's see what the rule is. Let's go to settings. See all settings, filters, and so you see a rule got created. No, this is not the rule. Let's refresh. See, this is the rule. So from no reply at the rate to apply label code force, skip inbox. So any new mails that come from no reply at the rate, it will go to inbox. And right now I don't need this. I'm just deleting both of these rules. So this is just for demonstration. This rule already existed before, the code forces one. Codeforce at the rate codeforce.com. So to explain this, what I have done is, so to create add-on, we need to create an app script from script.google.com. This is where we create the app script, and then we need to do few configurations, project settings. So first we need to enable the app script.json file, and then we need to add a project ID. So we need to create a project from Google Cloud Platform. We need to, and that project ID needs to be added over here. And then to use the Gemini APIs, we need to have Gemini API key, which I have generated, and then I have added this over here to use this is to use Gemini APIs, and then the app script. So this is the auth scope, like these are all the permissions we need from the user for this app to work. So you need to add minimum basic permissions so that this app will work. So right now I am adding rules. So for me to add rules, I need to have Gmail setting basic. So this permission is required to make to create filters. I am using the word filters and rules different, like in different places, but I mean both are the same. So runtime verification is the JavaScript that you want to use, and then the name is RulesAI, and then this is the logo that I am using, which I use on my YouTube DB as well, my channel. And then when I trigger from Gmail homepage, then on home page function will get triggered. So this is the minimum basic app script settings that I am using. So if we go to the code, so this is the on home page function that gets triggered. So here I am returning the build chat call, which will build the UI. So we have card service which will help us to build the UI. So in card service I am first adding new text paragraph. So here you can see, here I am adding the text area, and then this is the button. So once we click the button, on send click will get triggered. This function will get triggered. So what's in the on send click function? So in the on send click function, first I'm getting the user prompt. This is the user prompt in my text area, and then also I'm getting all the labels that are currently in the Gmail. So these labels will have details of like inbox ID, URLs. I have created a label for code forces. So all those details will come into these labels. Let me see if I have the example. Yeah, so this is the response. This is how the response will look like. So you can see this is the label that I have created, name as code force, and then ID. So this is the ID that is going to be used by our Gmail user setting create. So this function needs ID to create a rule. So for this to get the ID, we are fetching the IDs from this labels list, and then I am passing I am creating this prompt. So, and I will send this prompt to the Gemini, and then Gemini gives me the JSON response. Just simple plain JSON. I don't want with any extra text or any extra words, etc. So Gemini will that is the prompt that I have given to it. So based on the prompt, it will just give me the simple JSON, and then I will check for Gmail response. If it is empty or it is null, that means the prompt is invalid. So, or else if a valid prompt is given, then the Gemini will return me a JSON, and then I will based on the JSON I will create these filters, and then I will send the reply. So this reply will be sent to the build card with the message as well. So the message and the reply will both be shown in these conditions, if conditions. So this is how I build my add-on. Simple. So this is an unnecessary HTML. This is not required. I'm deleting it. Yeah, thank you. Hope you liked it. I will post more videos.